Borjan Cases Zonal Committee performs Sekarkli at Vojaru ground. ASDC organized motorcycle rally in Langpur and Singhason MEC constituencies. WKDCC emerged Tarun Gogoi's assets at Kopili. SYJ celebrate its 9th Foundations Day at Diphu. APHLC organized one-day leadership training program for its member at Dongkaching 2. Hello viewers, myself Malin Timungpi brings you today's news updates. The Korkanti Youth Committee of the All Party Hills Leader Conference organized a one-day leadership training program for its members at Dongkaching 2 Committee held in Dongkaching 2 on Sunday. Korkanti Constituency President Gangat Kiling inaugurated the training program, and the training was conducted by Longson Taro. During the day-long training program, the participants were briefed on the various important roles of youth in the success of any movement in society, as youths are the most powerful sections of any society. The participants were also asked to have an in-depth knowledge of the 6 schedules of the Indian constitutions, as it is the tool of safeguard the constitutional rights of the indigenous tribes of the district. The participants were told that true leaders are those who brave trying circumstances to stand for the rights of the public. They were also asked to make all efforts to develop leadership qualities. The program concluded with a vote of thanks in appreciation of the host and the participants by Korkanti Youth Committee Secretary Member Beg. The party's General Secretary Sarkiri Rongpar, Finance Secretary Dhoniram Timung, Hawar Kehat LAC Secretary Suren Kramsa, Hawar Kehat LA Youth Committee President Gobind Rongpar, Organizing Secretary Trideb Rongpar, Korkanti Constituency Secretary Babul Rongpi, and Samson Teron from the party's Central Legal Cell also attended the program. Anand Babe from Bothungaji, 465 News, India. The Borjan Zonal Committee of the Karbi Cultura performs the Karkli, a Karbi religious rituals at Vojaru ground in Borjan MEC constituency on Sunday. Vojaru ground was recently chosen as a permanent venue for the annual Zonal Karbi Youth Festival, and villagers from more than 40 villages have cleaned the area after proper land demarcation. Prior to carrying cleaning activities, Karbi priests did Lopeng Chakpon, a Karbi religious rituals, to seek the blessings of the Karbi deities at the beginning of any new task, with a promise to offer animal sacrifices on its fulfillment. On successful completions of the cleaning activities without any untoward incidents and disturbances, the Lopeng Kipri was performed as a gratitude to the deities. Priest Muja Rongpar performed the rituals. Later, Priest Longkiteron also performed a rituals for the land and water. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Speaker Longkiti Mung, VDC Chairman Binod Bongrum, SDBS Hempuing T, Mojari Timung, Gaobura Anand Kiling, and several Gaoburas from the adjoining villages attended the occasions. Speaking on the occasions, Longkiti Mung, while appreciating the effort of the people, said any task is possible if the public cooperates and get together to work. And he assured the people of his support at all times. Borjan Cases Zone President Jona Singh Teron and General Secretary Jona Singh Togpi informed media persons that all activities and meetings of Borjan Cases Zone, including the annual Zonal Karbi Youth Festival, will be held in a venue from now onwards. Bisnu Lekthe from Hanjang Langso, 4265 News, India. Student and Youth for Justice celebrated its 9th Foundations Day at Diphu Kalakandra on Sunday. SYJ President Longki Singnar presided over the celebrations program, which was attended by KSA advisor Laichan Ingleng, President Simeon Rongpar, and other members. The organizations have demanded the immediate scrapping of Clause 8 of the Borough Accord, and if their demand is not fulfilled, threatened to start an agitations in January. On the occasions, KSA advisor Laichan Ingleng wished more strength to the organizations and said that the Karbi people will see more difficult days ahead if they do not continue the autonomous state demand. KSA President Simeon Rongpar came down heavily on the ruling BJP government for its anti-farmer stand and further said that the government should stop troubling the farmers. Debaram Kathar from Diphu, 4265 News, India. West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee have emerged the ashes of Assam former Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi at Kopili River in West Karbi Anglong on Sunday. The party marched from Kopili Mandal Congress Committee office carrying the ashes till Kopili River, where they immersed it. APCC Secretary Manas Bora, West Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee President Sarthak Ramsa, Vice President Singh Teron, former Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Ellis Ingtipi, West Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress Committee President Augustine Inghi, Women Wing President Bimola Timungpi, and several other party leaders and workers were present during the ash immersion. Joyram Kathar from Kironi for 665 News, India.
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী তৰুণ গগৈ দেৱৰ এই শান্তি সাত ভৱনা যাত্ৰাৰ আজি এটা অন্যতম পৰ্যায়ত আহি ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাত উপস্থিত হৈছোঁ। এই কাৰ্যসূচী অনুযায়ী আমি প্ৰাক্তন মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়া চিতাভস্ম অসমৰ প্ৰত্যেকখন জিলাত আমি গৈ পেলাই প্ৰত্যেকখন জিলাত এখন এখন নদী আমি তেখেতৰ চিতাভস্ম অৰ্পণ কৰিছোঁ আৰু আজি সেই কাৰ্যসূচী অনুযায়ী আজি ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলঙত আহি পাইছোঁ। আমি প্ৰায়তো মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়া আপোনালোকে সকলোৱে জানে যে কোভিডৰ পিছত তেখেতে বহুত কঠিন পৰিস্থিতিত যুঁজ দি তেখেতে যদিও কোভিডক হৰুৱাই দিলে, কিন্তু তেখেতৰ বিশেষ কিছু আগৰ পৰাই তেখেতৰ কিছুমান পৰিস্থিতি আছিল য'ত তেখেতে যুঁজিব নোৱাৰিলে, একেলগে প্ৰত্যেকটো বেমাৰে ধৰিলে। তাৰপিছত তেখেতে নিজৰ জীৱন যাত্ৰাটো সমাপ্ত কৰিব লগা হ'ল আৰু তাৰপিছত আমি তেখেতৰ যোনটো আমি গুৱাহাটীত আমি চিতা জ্বলাইছিলোঁ, তাৰ পৰাই আমি চিতাভস্ম অসমৰ প্ৰায় 33খন জিলাত আমি প্ৰত্যেকটো জিলাত আমি গৈ পেলাই ভস্ম হেৰি কৰিছোঁ। আমাৰ সাংসদ গৌৰৱ গগৈ ডাঙৰীয়াই নিজে গৈ প্ৰত্যেকখন জিলাত চিতাভস্ম নদীত উটাইছেগৈ। কিন্তু আজি ইয়াত তেখেতে আহিব বিচাৰিছিল যদিও আহিব নোৱাৰিলে, কিয়নো এটা দুটা কাৰ্যসূচী বেলেগ জিলাত যিহেতু পিছুৱাই গ'ল, আজি একেলগে আমাৰ 4টামান কাৰ্যসূচী হৈ গ'ল। তাৰ কাৰণে আজি তেখেতে মোক ইয়াত দায়িত্ব দিছিল। মই আমাৰ জিলা সভাপতিৰ লগত মিলি আমাৰ জিলা সকলো বিষয়ববীয়াৰ লগত মিলি ৰাজহুৱাভাৱে আমি আহি ইয়াত আজি এইখিনি কাৰ্যসূচী আগবঢ়াইছোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকৰ জৰিয়তে মই অসমবাসীক তথা ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাৰ সকলো ৰাইজক ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ তেখেতসকলৰ সহায় সহযোগিতা আৰু আশীৰ্বাদৰ কাৰণে। ধন্যবাদ।
The Bagalia District Committee of the Autonomous State Demand Committee organized a motorcycle rally in Langpher and Singhason MSC constituencies on Sunday. The participants, comprising of more than 100 party leaders and supporters, assembled in the Bakalia Higher Secondary School playground in the morning, from where it rode to different places in the two constituencies. ASDC Central Executive Committee General Secretary Samuel Ronghang told media persons that the rally signals the start of autonomous state movement, second phase, and revival of the demand for autonomous state. Ronghang said the rally was organized to demand strengthening of sixth schedule in the district and to protest against the communal and divisive politics that have worsened the political situations in Karbi Anglong, the price rise of essential commodities, the dwelling power of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the controversial Citizen Amendment Act. Welson Terang from Olongkomaji for 665 News, India.
তিনি ডাক লাংফেৰ পেন সিংহাসন SDC সমষ্টি এটুম বাইক ৰেলী के पदुजी अफान बेहे के ऑर्गेनाइजर तुमान चोरो लो असी पिनी लसो रैली बाइक रैली के पदो केमांग गेला हेलो जनन कार्बी आंगलंग along itum political situation hingno lo dake communal politics dolo atum economy ta hingno biglo hormo hotara dor ke suben jenglo itum akoi hi no bangke council long non pini power of pin lo asi puthot SDC asong pen autonomous state movement second phase la sukang thurji phansi pini itum chengpon lo asi non dak deke langpher pen nomat singhason sor bike rally ke padopon la bangke so movement kang thurji afan isi non awareness afan si itum claim lo la pen la so movement along itum autonomous state movement jo kali siksidul pangta movement jo kali la bangke je non Karbi Anglong all India long CAA ka la so against lo la pen communal la so ke claim la so birudhi andolon dalo la so andolon ke kaddo ko youth tum obe gimiatum ma aprang son thurpak pen ke cerap pachituji la so awareness afansi ini so bike rally bangge kang thur ponlo ati kaddo e phan ini la so nanglitum so media hoi pen neli suningri la hello je Karbi Anglong east west di mahasau kaddo ko be arara tumanta la so movement long cerap pachitu dunia phan la pen pachun pami samjin ben pachun pami ji phan sini li arnamang mo juljume hangsi ke anwela.
Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India.